Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Modern Language School, Item 2 Campus, Islamabad. Today the date is 23rd of July 2020. The subject is English for class 1. Today class we will do an activity book and sound book. Kindly pick out your activity books. Now class, write a date at the above page, that is 23rd July, 2020. Now punctuation, it's page number 30. Punctuation, exercise 2F. Full stops. We have already read full stops in the textbook and in the last online lecture. Read the passage below and fill in the blanks with full stops or capital letters. Now you have to put the capital letters or full stops in these blanks according to the text. Now this, it is a first word or first letter, so write a T there and the T would be capital. There was a baby elephant named Jobu who lived in the zoo. Full stop. The sentence has been completed, so we will put a full stop. Now capital M. Many people loved to see the baby elephant. Full stop. Again full stop because some sentence is completed. Now they, capital T, it's a starting of a sentence, so they, T would be capital. They lived to come during feeding time to watch Jobo eat. Full stop. They liked to come during feeding time to watch Jobo eat. Okay, full stop. They, T would be capital. They also liked to watch him take his bath. Full stop. Okay, now the next paragraph would be started from S. It means sometimes and capital S. Okay, sometimes, comma, naughty Jobo would suck up some water from a pond with his trunk and spray the water at some of the visitors. Okay, now full stop. Now third paragraph would be start from the word T, capital T. The visitors liked the adorable baby elephant so much that they did not get angry with him. Full stop. Okay, full stop. Jobu just loved all the attention he got. Full stop. Again full stop. Okay, now see it. Now page number 31 of activity book. Page number 31. Now reading comprehension, exercise 2G. Mr. Johnson and Mr. Kane. Read about Alex and Sally's grandfathers, Mr. Johnson and Mr. Kane. Johnson, Kane. Read about Alex and Sally's grandfathers. Alex: my grandfather is my favorite person. Underline the word favorite. Sally: tell me more about him. Now it is the conversation between Alex and Sally. इन दोनों के एलेक्स और सैली के ग्रैंडफादर्स के बारे में जो है ना, ये एक डिस्कशन हो रही है. ठीक है, सो एलेक्स टोल्ड हिम और Alex told to Sally, my grandfather is my favorite person. He is talking about his grandfather. Sally: tell me more about him. Alex: he is kind and friendly. Underline the word friendly. So everybody likes him. Another reason why I love him is that he is always buying me presents. Presents means gifts. Okay? Sally. He sounds nice. What does he do? Alex. Oh, he is retired. Retired जिसके पास जॉब ना हो, जो अपनी जॉब से फारिग हो चुका हो, यानी जिसकी जॉब ख़त्म हो चुकी हो. Retired. He likes fishing, spending time with us, and gardening. Gardening, spending. Okay. Now, what is your grandfather like? Now Alex is asking from Sally about his grandfather. Sally. Well, my grandfather is wonderful. He is a humorous man. He loves to tell jokes and make me laugh. L-A-U-G-H, laugh. L-A-U-G-H, laugh. Alex. He sounds like a fun person. What does he do? He is asking a question to Sally. Now next page, turn a page number 32. Now class, it's page number 32. Sally. My grandfather is a school principal. Underline the word principal. When he is not working, he likes to paint, collect stamps and read. Stamps and read. Even though he is very busy. He is very busy. He always finds time for me. Now, Alex. We are lucky to have such nice grandfathers. Underline the word grandfathers. Sally. Yes, I think so too. Now answer these questions. Now you have to answer these questions according to the conversation. Okay? Now pick out your pencils and write the answers in these lines. Okay? Now, what is Alex's grandfather like? He is kind and friendly. Now write, he is kind and friendly. F-R-I-E-N-D-L-Y. Friendly. F-R-I-E-N-D-L-Y. Friendly. He is kind and friendly. What is Sally's grandfather like? He is wonderful. He is wonderful. W-O-N-D-E-R-F-U-L. Wonderful. He is wonderful and humorous. H-U-M-O-R-O-U-S. Humorous man. M-A-N, man. Okay. Now third. What does Alex's grandfather do in his spare time? Spare means free time. Underline the word spare. Spare means free time. He likes fishing and gardening. Now write, he likes, L-I-K-E-S, likes, F-I-S-H-I-N-G, fishing and gardening, G-A-R-D-E-N-I-N-G, gardening. Number 4. How does Sally's grandfather care for her? He loves to tell jokes and make her laugh. He likes to tell jokes and make him laugh. Okay. Now the last one is, How do Alex and Sally feel about their grandfathers? They feel that they are very lucky to have them. They felt. You will use a second form. They felt, F-E-L-T, felt that they are, T-H-E-Y, they are very lucky, L-U-C-K-Y, lucky to have them. To have them, T-H-E-M, them. Okay, now I am reading it again. What is Alex's grandfather like? He is kind and friendly. What is Sally's grandfather like? He is wonderful and humorous man. What does Alex's grandfather do in his spare time? He likes fishing and gardening. How does Sally's grandfather care for her? He likes to tell jokes and make him laugh. How do Alex and Sally feel about their grandfathers? They felt that they are very lucky to have them. Okay.